Hi everyone, Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas to which I've put some black paint, and now I've got black paint on my fingers. So I wanted to do an open cut. I just thought that might be a bit of fun, so I'm just going to probably start it there, or maybe over a bit more. Put the paint in and then let it swirl around. Now, the one thing that I am not doing today is using Floetrol, because I think all the hoo-ha that's going on at the moment with Floetrol is a bit over the wall. I mean, just not that long ago, the same thing was going on with Elmer's glue. It's a trade name, people, a trade name. I don't know where you come from, but surely there's something else out there exactly the same but with a different name. So I use PVA glue, but I do not use Elmer's because it's too expensive. I use cheap brands, and I have no problems with them. I've still got that patch there, haven't I? There you go. So anyway, if you want to go around chasing stuff, that's fine. Me, I don't be bothered. So this one's got no Floetrol in it. I'm using, as you see, black, white, red and yellow. In the white I've got some isopropyl, which is alcohol. Please don't drink it, it will kill you. It'll act like an acid, it'll just burn your esophagus, throat, guts, that's it, you'll be dead. Nice and painful. In the yellow I've got some OGX. So here we go. I'm going to I'll put the black around the outside, so just put the colours in and have dogs barking. Just let this chappy roll around. Ooh, that's looking nice. Put the yellow in there, maybe I'll get some oranges, some pinks. And then move around, and as you can see here, look at the cells there, plenty of them. Just going to bring that cup into the centre, and what colour next? Some yellow. Hey, what's this all about? Stop it, this instant. I'll put just enough black there to give us a bit of shade. Check this out. Stop it. Okay. I'm just tilting him over that way without losing my cup. Take the cup off. Hey. And you know, I think I'll bring it down this way just a tad more. Yep, and then back. Take some of that paint off. Down. Okay, there we are. How pretty is that? Taking the paints off from underneath. I will just wipe my hands off and check that out in a minute. I'm going to put the torch in it. got more cells. You can poke a stick out here and no Floetrol to be seen. So there you are. Now what I do want to do, I think, is stretch that out a bit more. Whilst I really like it how it is, I'm going to take it down. Stretch him out. Bring that red down. Just leave it like that. That's my grandson. Just enjoying himself on the internet with his friends in America. Kind of funny. Right, I really think this is nice. So I'm going to wipe my hands off and then I'll see. Right, where did I put it? I have the tube. Starting to come along. actually I'm going to leave that because I like it. I like that a lot. In fact, I wished I had a bit more black. Maybe I still do. Just to have a couple of little streaks of black. Right there. Like that. Any more for there? Yes. Okay, where's my pipe? Yep, that's what it needed, just that extra little bit of black. Right, I'm going to torch it and then I'll bring it down to have a look at it. With all that movement I put onto it, it's lost a good many of its cells. However, there's still some there and in through here, and there's more coming up. So, but I've got the laser. I think that's really pretty. Got a bit of negative space there, which is good. And that's what I've been looking at. Bring it down to see more of what it is. And as you can see, the recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under the video. And that looks like a scary deep sea creature, doesn't it, with its mouth open, teeth hanging down. I don't think I want to go swimming there. So the recipe for the paint and pouring medium down below under show more. Please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate that when people do that for me. If you haven't already, subscribe, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up videos into YouTube. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.